Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying your E-Class supports Apple CarPlay and that your iPhone is updated. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, then open the iPhone settings General CarPlay to pair. If your car uses a USB connection, plug a certified cable into the front USB port. This forces the system to recognize the phone. Once paired, you'll see the CarPlay icon on the MBUX/Coman screen. Tap it to launch and proceed to the next configuration steps. Once CarPlay is active, authorize the connection on the Mercedes display and confirm microphone and notifications permissions on your iPhone so voice and messages work seamlessly. Then customize the app layout from your iPhone settings CarPlay to place navigation and frequently used apps front and center. Make sure you set your preferred navigation app as default where possible. On MBUX, you can enable split screen to see maps and media simultaneously. This reduces distraction and speeds common tasks. Now test core functions. Ask Siri a route, play a playlist, and make a call using the steering wheel voice button to confirm hands-free control. While driving, rely on voice commands and the simplified CarPlay UI to minimize manual input. This keeps focus on the road. If something breaks, stop safely and reboot your iPhone, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, or switch USB ports and cables. If problems persist, remove the CarPlay pairing and repair. That usually clears lingering connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.